Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Infosys 4 roles exam syllabus and pattern. So this video is related to Operation Executive exam pattern, Specialist Programmer DSE role exam pattern, Power Programmer, Operation Executive Diploma exam pattern, complete syllabus, how to prepare for exam. In this video we discuss about the complete information. As we know that 2020, 21 and 22 batch are eligible for this opportunity, but some of the courses, not the BE BTech. 2022 BE BTech students, soon the Infosys off-campus drive are conducted for all of you in upcoming month. So wait for the opportunity. But this video I just make the PPT for all of you. In the previous video I got the good response from all of you, and there are so many Instagram DMs and there are so many comments in the comment section that please make the syllabus and pattern video. So this video is related to complete syllabus. Okay, so the Infosys different role exam preparation 2022-2020 batch, how to prepare for Infosys exam, pattern, syllabus, resources plus strategy, how to crack exam in first attempt. Okay, so first of all, there is an important point that Infosys different role hiring, like for digital specialist engineer role, for specialist programmer, resources strategy, how to crack exam in first attempt. Okay, so the first role for the for today's video is related to specialist programmer, that is also known as the power programmer role. The package is 8 LPA and the eligible batches are 2020-21 batches. Exam pattern consists of 2 tests, like online test and after that technical plus HR interview, and it should be virtual according to the current situation. Okay, so the specialist programmer, power programmer role have a 2 coding means the 2 test pattern, like first is online coding test and after that there is a technical interview. So in the online coding test there are 3 number of question and the duration is 180 minutes. The one question is very easy, second coding question is moderate and third question is very hard, and it will be totally depend on Infosys team that what they decide the cutoff criteria for that exam, and after that there is a technical interview plus HR interview. Infosys power programmer coding test consists of 3 questions which are to be solved in 180 minutes. The online test is conducted on the Infosys assessment platform. Okay, previously online tests are conducted on HackerEarth or HackerRank, but this time this test is conducted on Infosys assessment platform. There is no defined cutoff for the Infosys power programmer, but it said that a student will have to clear all the test cases in order to get the interview round. This is the very important point for the round 1. After that there is a round 2, like the Infosys power programmer interview. It will consist of a series of technical questions plus HR question and all of that. Question based on your preferred programming language, projects, code, logic building capabilities. Okay, so the Infosys power programmer coding question will be mostly based on the DS concept, data structures and algorithm concept, dynamic programming, greedy, algorithm, linked list, tree, graph, sorting, backtracking. You have to practice so many questions on the different platform. Like there are so many platform, like there is an HackerEarth platform. Okay, so the HackerEarth platform is very good for freshers batch, and you can see that there are so many questions that present here, like as you can see that there is a algorithm section, data structure section, and there are so many platform like HackerEarth, LeetCode. You can just go to that platform and practice so many coding question in order to crack the exam. Okay, so after that there is an important point, that second opportunity from Infosys for the role of digital specialist engineer. Okay, this is not the one, this is the second. Okay, digital specialist engineer opportunity DSE role, and the pattern is same, all thing is same, but there is one important point. If you solve 2 questions successfully and if you passed all the test cases in the online coding challenge, okay, so they will send interview call for the role of system engineer specialist, that is called the digital specialist engineer. So the preparation is same for the power programmer role and the digital specialist system engineer specialist role. Okay, so you have to solve the coding question very far. If you solve the 2.5 to 3 coding questions, so there is a very good opportunity for the power programmer interview. If you solve the 1.5 to 2 coding question or the 2 coding question, so there is a DSE opportunity. After that, there are very important point that this is just related to specialist programmer and digital specialist, and in this 2020-21 batch is eligible. But now it is for the operation executive role, in which 2020-21-22 batch are eligible, and it will be same for the diploma candidate also. Okay, and the package is 2.2 LPA, and the section are like, there are 4 type of section: reasoning ability, mathematical, verbal, and puzzle solving. And you can see that what are the number of questions that they ask in the reasoning ability. For the mathematical ability, what are the number of questions, verbal ability, what are the number of questions, and what are the time allocated for that. Total duration is 100 minutes for this test, and there are the 4 section here. After that, you can see that Infosys mathematical ability syllabus: percentage, probability, area, shapes, meter, speed, time, distance, time and work, profit and loss, problem on age. This type of topics are covered in the mathematical ability syllabus. Okay, after that, there is a logical section, consists of a verbal means the reasoning part. So the arrangement, syllogism, coding, decoding, number series, clocks and calendar, data sufficiency, this type of topics are generally that they covered, but this is the complete syllabus for that. For verbal ability, as you can see that fill in the blanks, error correction, sentence selection, analogy, one word substitution, this type of topics are covered in the verbal, logical and mathematical ability. But the puzzle solving is the last, and there is only 4 question. So you have to just go through the some puzzle solving previous year questions from some of the different YouTube channels. But if I talk about the resources plus strategy to crack exam for numerical, reasoning and verbal ability, you can check the different website that you can see on my screen. That India Bix website, Java T-Point website, Topper website are very good for practicing aptitude questions. For verbal ability, you can prefer these resources. For programming, like you have to practice coding question in C++, Java or Python, so you can just prefer this resources. These are very helpful in order to crack the coding examination. Okay, so that is very important point, that you have to how to prepare and how you can just crack the Infosys different role exam. So you have to practice on the daily basis, and you have to solve so many previous year coding questions, and there are so many YouTube channels that they already make the previous year coding questions or the previous year questions video. You can just go through them and check the video and solve daily on the daily basis. Okay, so this is the complete video that is related to the complete process. But on the face prep website, there are so many information you can practice at so many questions, and this is the Infosys recruitment process, complete recruitment process. You can check the reasoning, verbal and interview question. For the aptitude, there is a India Bix website. You can check the so many questions that they are present here. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.